There's a clash between Congress and BJP, a fresh war of words, now this time over vaccine certificates. That's because in Chhattisgarh, there are certain vaccine certificates which are being issued to those getting jabbed in the 18 to 44 age group, which have, in those certificates, they have Chief Minister Bhupesh Bagel's photo instead of the Prime Minister's photo. Now remember, traditionally it's the PM's photo which is being stamped on the printed on vaccine certificates, but in Chhattisgarh, for the 18 plus group vaccine certificates, that's not been the case. Now, while BJP has called this petty politics and have in fact said that this is being done for cheap publicity, the Congress government in Chhattisgarh has replied back saying that it is the state government which is sponsoring the 18 plus group vaccine jabs, which is the reason why, since this is being done by the Bagel government, they have decided to print Bhupesh Bagel, the Chief Minister's photo, in these vaccine certificates. In fact, earlier in the month, the state government launched its portal CG Tika for registration of the 18 plus group. Those who have registered have got themselves vaccinated and are being given digital certificates with a photograph of Bagel on it.
पीएम का फोटो इसलिए यूज नहीं हो रहा है कि केंद्र सरकार पीछे हट गई पैसे देने के लिए, और उन्होंने ये कहा कि हम केवल 45 और 45 साल से ऊपर उम्र के लोगों के लिए वैक्सीन उपलब्ध कराएंगे। तो जब राज्य सरकार अपने बजट से पैसे उपलब्ध करा रही है तो प्रधानमंत्री का फोटो कैसे लगेगा? फिर तो राष्ट्रीय कार्यक्रम नहीं हो गया ना, वो तो
वैक्सीन लगाने के लिए सरकार के पास में पैसा नहीं है। छत्तीसगढ़ में 1 करोड़ 33 लाख लोगों को वैक्सीन लगना है, लगभग 3 करोड़ वैक्सीन चाहिए, और अभी तक सरकार ने सिर्फ 15 करोड़ रुपए दिया है। छत्तीसगढ़ के मुख्यमंत्री जी को इस बात की चिंता नहीं है कि छत्तीसगढ़ से 18 साल के ऊपर के लोगों का जीवन बचाया जा सके, उनको वैक्सीन लगाया जा सके, उनको अपनी फोटो छपवाने की चिंता है।
So photo politics, this is what it's being termed as. I'm joined by my colleague Govind on this. Govind, what we can see is that there's a fresh war of words over vaccine certificates. We've seen in the past, even the Jharkhand government had done the same, actually replacing the Chief Minister's face, Chief Minister's photo on the vaccine certificates instead of the Prime Minister's photo. And in this case, Chhattisgarh also following suit. But there's already a war of words going on between Congress and BJP on this. Tell us more exactly, what are the main allegations being leveled by both sides?
Yeah, absolutely. You term it correctly, that photo politics. You know that when vaccination program starts, Chhattisgarh government denied to adopt the app which was designed by the central government, on which the photo of PM Narendra Modi pasted. But here in Chhattisgarh, we talk about Chhattisgarh, we find that Chhattisgarh government has made its own app, Tika app, on which when we go for the registration, we find that there is a photograph of CM Bhupesh Baghel on that online registration. So this is what we can understand, that government is making reaction that central government is not giving the fund. Then why we should give and glorify the central chief PM Narendra Modi, his image. So this is what we can understand. The war of words has started between BJP and Congress leaders in Chhattisgarh. So we can name of vaccination in Chhattisgarh.
Right, an unfortunate time for this sort of political war of words to be done, especially amid the COVID surge, the second wave, which is the main focus, should be the main focus of governments instead of this kind of war of words. Govind, thank you so much for bringing us that story.